So, good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic. Okay, so the first topic of today is electric flux. Okay, and the symbol is phi. Now, what is electric flux? Electric flux can be defined as the number of field lines passing through a given surface normally. Okay, now what is the meaning of this? Electric flux, it is the number of field lines passing through a given surface normally, because in our last class we have discussed that for a positive charge the lines are always outward somewhere like this, and for negative charge it is always inward. Now suppose if we take a surface like this, and if we consider that this surface is full of charges, now on this surface there will be lines which will act like this. So these lines are always normal to this surface. Okay, somewhere like this, like the pen, this pen is perpendicular to this copy. In the same way, this field lines is always passes through this surface. Okay, now electric flux, the formula is phi equal to electric field into surface area, means E is the electric field and S is surface area, and the SI unit of electric field, the SI unit of flux phi is Newton meter square per coulomb. So this is all about electric flux. The detailed study of electric flux we shall get in the next topic, so in the same chapter. So today's next topic is electric dipole. So what is dipole, electric dipole? As the name suggests, dipole, so we know di means what? Di means two and pole means points. Okay, as we in geography say, we know we have two poles, north pole and south pole. Okay, so these are the points, right? But in physics, what is the meaning of dipole? Dipole is basically, it is a system of two equal and opposite charges. It is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by finite distance apart. Means what? Suppose we have a charge plus q and say this is a minus q. Now if this two charge is separated by a finite distance, let the distance between these two charges is 2a. So this constitutes a system in which these two charges, namely plus q and minus q, are separated by a finite distance. So we have defined the distance, that is your 2a. Okay, now we shall see what is electric dipole moment. Okay, so electric dipole moment, the symbol is P and it is a vector quantity. Now how to define electric dipole moment? It is the product of either of charge and distance between them. It means what? P, So what is the definition? It is the product of either of charge and distance between them. So either of charge, you can take either plus q or minus q, and say product means the distance between them means 2a. So what was the distance between the two charges? That is 2a. So we can write like this: P equal to q into 2a, or P equal to, if we take minus charge, q into 2a. So minus q into 2a, that will be that. So we can also write, so you can write finally P. So this arrow you can put plus minus q into 2a. So you can write either, say this, P equal to q into 2a, or P equal to minus q into 2a. So this is all about your electric dipole moment.